back with a quick video, and I say quick because I'm hoping this will be quick because this product is supposed to make this makeup task like super quick. We're trying Ardell's new Aqua Lashes. So Ardell, love them so much. They were so kind enough to send me over these lashes. Very pretty, flirty looking lashes. I'm thinking I'm probably gonna go with these. This is style 341. Ooh, these are very pretty. They're basically a lash that is activated by water. You don't need any lash glue whatsoever. The thing about these, I don't know if you guys can tell on here, but the band is a little long on here, so you are gonna need to trim these for your lash. I'm gonna go with 341. She's like the more tame out of all of these. I just went to the kitchen really fast and grabbed one of my ramekins. I think with something like this, you should read the instructions. It says 3 steps, so a line band and trim, immerse lash band in warm water for 10 to 15 seconds. Okay, so that's good to know because this is cold water, so I'm gonna go get some warm water. Okay, so I need some hot water. All right, we're back with our warm water. You can kind of see that there's like a layer of like glue here on the lash. I guess is what makes it lash activated. So I'm just gonna hold this down to get in there. Okay, so it's kind of round, so it's kind of hard to get just the lash band in there and not the lash as well. So some of your lash is gonna get wet. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, so it's on there. I don't feel like it's coming off or anything. It does feel a little pokey right up here, but if you wear lashes, you're probably used to like that feeling. Yeah, and it's not like it feels like looser. Ardell, what have we done? What have we done? Ardell, I'm gonna need my naked lashes, my texturized lashes, and my natural 174 lashes to come in an aqua formula. Oh my god. Beginners, this is like a dream for you because it's so easy to put on. And then my OG lash wears, you're gonna love it because it takes you no time. I would say these are definitely perfect if you're going on a trip because all you have to do is take your lashes with you and you just need water. I hope you have water wherever you're going. I typically need these to put my lashes on, some lash glue, all that stuff. All you need is like your lashes and maybe some eyeliner, but okay, Ardell, okay. If you're not already, make sure you subscribe and thumbs up this video if you like the content, you guys. Also, do not forget to follow me on Instagram. You can also find me on TikTok at Niara Alexis _, and I will see you guys next time.